Hey everybody, so this is going to be a pretty quick video. I was recently working on a model trying to fix an issue. We have a tool that does some things with electrical stuff, and it was reporting some errors related to the circuits, and these errors could be ignored, so they weren't that big of a deal, but there were so many of them, it kind of just raised a flag. And so I went in there and was looking around, and I found out that this issue kind of started in the template. At some point, that template had stuff in it that was removed and then caused these extra circuits to be in there. So I've got this sample project. This is the Imperial multidiscipline template, and I've just got this architectural view open. I placed this lighting and appliance panel board, and then I created a panel schedule from it. And then over to the right, you can see we've got the power, and then we have 3 spares associated to this panel. And if you go in there and delete this panel, you can delete it here or in the system browser. But if we delete it, we'll see we've got a bunch of unnamed circuits in there. And these aren't really connected to anything. They don't show up in any schedules or anything like that, or like any panel schedules. And if I say create another one of these, so I've got this one here, and then this one I'm going to create a new schedule from it. I'm just going to do assign 3 spares to it. And then if we jump back over here, we can see the 2 different panels. And now if I delete one, okay, and then we've got these unnamed spares in there. So not a super big deal, and it's really easy to get rid of them. You can just delete them. But I thought it was kind of weird, and it might even throw up errors if you have, you know, your own automations that are looking at electrical systems and doing certain things. It might prompt errors because it's seeing them in there, but they're not connected to any equipment. So I just wanted to point that out because it gave me a bit of a headache just trying to figure out what was going on. It wasn't until somebody showed me that just deleting the panel caused the spares to become like unnamed and just orphaned and not assigned to anything. So I'm going to delete this other one just to show you another example. So we'll say OK, and then we'll see these are unnamed. And again, if we just highlight them and click delete, it'll remove them, and now we have no systems in the project. So anyways, like I said, pretty quick. If you like this video, like, share, comment. If you've dealt with things like this or have ideas for videos, let me know. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.